What's going on, guys? Antonio Carter here, always giving you the goods when it comes to affiliate marketing, making money online, social media marketing, stuff like that. Today, we're going to dive deep into Spencer Mecham's Affiliate Secrets 2.0 so that you can know what you're getting yourself into before you decide to purchase the program, or if you're looking for a program to get started in affiliate marketing. That's what I specialize in, right? I'm trying to give you the goods. You feel me? You feel me? Before I tell you this stuff very quickly, I want to let you know that if you look below in my description, there's a whole bunch of free resources for you. I want you to go ahead and get that. Go ahead and download whatever it is that I got for you. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button so that you get notified whenever I'm releasing new content. I feel like a rapper, but I'm really not a rapper. Check it out. All I'm trying to really say, man, hook your boy up. Follow my content. Now let's get into this mess. First of all, who's Spencer Mecham? This man has recently just blasted onto the scene from out of nowhere. I would say probably in a previous year or two. And he's headlining everywhere as one of the top heavyweights when it comes to affiliate marketing. Why? Because he's helping other people make money. Not only is he winning new cars and contests and stuff, but he's really teaching others how to do what he's doing. So this is specifically for affiliate marketing, not email marketing, not social media marketing, affiliate marketing. I recently joined his group not too long ago. I kind of checked it out to see if he's the real deal. And he's in there all the time. It's not a virtual assistant. It's actually him responding to people's questions. So I give him a nice little checkpoint for that, a little thumbs up for that one. And then the next thing I figured out is that he's a real dude. Right? His father didn't give him like $1 million loan or something like Donald Trump's dad or anything like that. So he is a real genuine guy, and I respect integrity because that's what I'm all about. Loyalty, integrity. If you're real recognize real. Fake, I don't got time for snakes. Now for this program, I was very eager to bust into this program because I've heard a lot about it. This guy, he's made $1 million+ What are the millions? With simply the ClickFunnels program alone. He's won a free car with Builderall. He's figured out Bing ads for affiliate marketers. What is it about this guy and his program that makes it so successful? It's in, I believe, 8 modules. Yeah, his program's in 8 modules, and I'm gonna just kind of break them down for you a little bit. Module number 1 is your game plan. Your game plan, you got to know what you're doing, because if you don't have the right game plan, you're just going to fall apart. If you don't have the proper goals and everything, I mean, it's exactly what I teach to my students when it comes to affiliate marketing. The first thing we do is go over your goals and your game plan. It could be the most boring thing that you think, but it will save you a lot of time and it will save you a lot of money. Module number 2, it's about finding hot buyers. And this is slick. And I was very surprised to see this module because I do real estate as well. And one of the first things that you learn is you have to find the hot buyers. If you don't find the hot buyers, you don't know where to market. If you got a great product, but you don't have any buyers for the product, guess what? You don't make no money. So in the same case, Spencer Mecham makes this plain inside of this module. You find the hot buyers, you find what's hot, and then that's where you gravitate towards. That will save you a ton of money right there. Module number 3, he has something called Traffic Legion. Traffic is my favorite subject to speak upon when it comes to affiliate marketing. Lead generation is something that I guess you could say, specialize in. Because if there's no traffic, you're not going to make any sales, period. Let's say you find the hot buyers. Let's say you find a hot product. Well, how do you create the traffic to group the two together so that you can make the money and cash out and make the big commissions? You can't without traffic. Traffic can be paid traffic. Traffic can be free traffic. The fact that you're watching me right now on this YouTube video, this is a method of free traffic that I utilize for my affiliate marketing business. And I want to teach you. And then when it comes to paid marketing, I use a lot of solo ads and I use Facebook marketing nearly every day to drive traffic to my offers. And that's whether it's my landing pages, it's whatever it is that I'm trying to do. I actually have a campaign going on, but that's paid traffic. I don't recommend that to everybody. Spencer breaks that down in this module. We got module number 4, make more, spend less. This is what Spencer is known for. If you check him out on YouTube, his channel's called Builderpreneur. Reminds me of Build-A-Bear so much every time I think about the word. His money that he makes with affiliate marketing is really value based. You provide the value, the money will come. A lot of people teach this, but a lot of people don't really follow. A lot of people aren't really following what they're preaching out there. Again, I said that Spencer is a guy of integrity, a person who is just like you and I. This is one of the things I really value about him. I'm observant. I watch people. If you say something, I'm going to let you prove to me what you're saying. The second that you go against what you're saying, then you've already shown me that you can't be trusted. So in this case, Spencer, with a lot of his videos, does give tons of value, tons of content, stuff that will help out the average individual like you and I who's looking to make money online. Now, like a really good affiliate marketer, after he gives his good content, he says, hey, look, I got some free resources. I got this link. I got that link. Look below this video. Go ahead and click that. I will make an affiliate commission if you decide to buy. But look, it's not about the affiliate commission. I want to give you value. That's what this module is about. How do you sell without being salesy? How do you become an effective affiliate marketer without everybody knowing that you're just jumping in a forum just to simply sell something? You have to provide value. And you guys probably already know this, but how do you do it effectively so that you aren't scammy? Module number 5, automation templates. The whole idea when it comes to scaling your business, when it comes to making money online, is you want to create a system so that you can automate things so that you're not doing the same old tasks over and over again, right? That's the idea of a business, is to eventually remove you out from the equation. After you are removed out, can a business still run without you? And if you're able to do that effectively, you're able to gain more time and still make money. You're able to enjoy your resources. It's just phenomenal. That's why a lot of people want to create their own businesses in today's world versus working a 9-to-5 job. Who wants to spend 8 hours inside of a place getting to know little Johnny over here who sits next to you in a cubicle, and you're there seeing him every day for 8 hours, and you see him more than what you see your spouse or your kids? It sucks, right? And so if you're able to create a system that helps automate everything, you're able to spend more time with your family. You're able to do the things that you love. Creating a system makes your business predictable. And the same thing for your profits. Module number 6, products. The products. You got to find a very good converting offer. I just recently wrote a blog post, and I haven't posted it on my website yet, but I'm going to this week. I just did a new website. Hopefully I'll put all that information down below in the description as well. But the blog post is about why people fail at affiliate marketing. One of the biggest problems, one of the biggest reasons why people fail at affiliate marketing is because they have a sucky product. They're trying to sell something that simply will not sell. I'm sorry, but if it's proven to not sell, if you look in ClickBank and only it has a gravity of like -2 or something crazy. Of course, there's no negatives, but if it doesn't sell, if it's not above like 2, you should know not to even sniff that thing or even move your mouse on top of it, because it's not going to sell. There are reasons why it's not selling. It could be the landing page. It could be the copy. It could be a various amount of them. Maybe it's just a bad product and people don't like it. Find a converting offer and you will make money as long as you're bringing traffic to it in some form or fashion. Module number 7, lucky number 7, long-term business. This is what a lot of people don't like to really face. When it comes to making money online, a lot of marketers don't like the idea of waiting for their money. So for example, I just ran a solo ad not too long ago. I ran about 200 clicks to an offer. It was an offer where I knew I wasn't really going to make too much money on the front end. But I knew that if I continued to hit them within my emails for the rest of the 30 days, I knew I'd be able to recoup that money and perhaps profit on my list. Now, the average person who's just starting is not going to want to wait 30 days in order to make their money back through emails. That's why they're failing. So busy trying to make the money up front versus trying to make it on the back end in the long term of your business. What does your business look like 6 months from now, a year from now, 2 years from now? Instead of trying to look what's in front of you at this moment right now to try and make some money, you know, what do I got to do in order to make $2,000 or $3,000 right now? Yeah, there's a product launch. You're doing launch jacking. You can make some good money in a short amount of days. But what are you going to do 6 months after that? And there's no more high-end products to do launch jacking with. You need to build your email list. You need to make sure that your business is sustaining itself. You're selling recurring products. You're making monthly commissions. The game is so easy, guys, but we got to get out of the mindset of trying to make the quick dollar in 2 seconds and getting out the game rich. It's not going to work that way. I'm sorry. That's module number 7. And then number 8 is creating a team. I advise against you trying to create a team in the very beginning because it's just you. You're not profiting any money. But the second you begin to bring in profits on a monthly basis, which could be very quickly, by the way, could be 1 month, 2 months, 3 months in which you begin to really make that money. Getting a virtual assistant is not as expensive as what you think. When you get a virtual assistant to do some stuff, you're able to outsource things. You're able to handle more tasks without you having to do it yourself, thus saving more time and making more money at the same time. So creating a team, knowing how to do it, is key to really scaling. I'm pretty sure Spencer didn't just make $1 million on his own doing all this stuff by himself. There's a reason why he's teaching you how to create a team. Just when you thought that was enough, he brings in other people to teach in Facebook ads. He brings in other people to teach Quora marketing, which is like a forum where people ask questions and stuff, how to get free traffic from there, how to get traffic from Instagram. He has other people teach on these things, which he could easily charge extra money for that as well. So now his program, I believe, as I make this video, I think it's about $897. I will be very upfront and honest with you, and I will go off the limb and say I thought it was going to be more than that, because it's very good. He's very thorough. He doesn't really hold anything back. He should actually charge more, in my opinion. But I'm also very grateful because it's about time that a real individual actually makes a program that is legitimate. Not some rich guru who's already made the tens of millions of dollars and has lost connection with the average marketer like yourself and myself. So do I recommend this product? Yes. He's not a Ty Lopez. Well, hold on. Let me just rephrase this. Ty Lopez is not fake. But first of all, this man doesn't do half the stuff that he says he does. He gets other people to do the things that he says he does. All right. So anyway, the man's a great marketer. I'll say that. I'll put it to you that way. He does a very good job at marketing. Spencer Mecham does not market himself like a Ty Lopez. Half-naked girls in the background and stuff, and you're not even paying attention to what he's talking about when it comes to making money online because you're too busy looking at the girl's booty. As I digress. I recommend the product. I really do. I've been inside the Facebook groups. It's phenomenal. It's very active in there. People in there encouraging each other, helping each other create deals and whatnot. If it's something that you want to check out, he has a webinar on how to get out of your 9-to-5 struggle. That link is below. If you decide to purchase the program with my link, yes, it is an affiliate link. I will make money if you decide to purchase, but I wanted to let you know before you get into it. If you decide to purchase, I'm going to give you some bonuses. I told you that I'd do some coaching. My coaching is, if you look on my website, is not cheap. I'm gonna just put it that way. I'm not gonna give you the amount. My services is not cheap because I want to work with people who really want results. If you purchase this program, you're showing me that you really want results. So for that, I will give you a few sessions of free coaching calls with me personally. I will do that for you. If you decide to purchase this program through my link, I really want you to succeed and have success with this program. Don't forget, join my Facebook group. That's down below. Check out my website, my other information. Love to be in contact with you guys. Drop a comment below. Like my video. Subscribe to my video. If I haven't said that already, I probably already did. And hope all is well for you guys, man. Get out there, make some money. Grant Cardone told this guy, anybody could be successful. Anybody can get it, but nobody's out there getting it. My question to you is, are you getting it? So that's it for me today. Antonio Carter. See you guys later.